Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday, also known as the first day of class, January 6th. So today I'm going to do a cooking with me, and I almost decided not to do this one because I'm really hungry right now, and I was just gonna throw together some stuff because I haven't been to the grocery store. So I was like, I don't know if I really want to include this, but then I was like, maybe this will be good because it's just when you're down to the end of your grocery haul and you don't have as many ingredients, just something you can throw together. Of course, it's vegan, of course. And if you guys don't know, yes, I've been vegan for 3 years. I started December 20 something of 2016. So, yes, it's been 3 years. So, today I'm gonna make some pasta, just a kind of pasta, which Lydia kind of made this for me a little bit, but it's just gonna be like a veggie pasta. I'm trying to decide if I want to add tofu. I've never cooked tofu by myself. I wonder if I should fry it. We'll see. Because I usually don't have a plan sometimes when I cook days like this and I have an hour and a half before class. It's I don't really have a plan. I just kind of see where I go. So right now I just have an onion, tomato, bell pepper, and then mixed vegetables, the frozen kind. So I have that, and then I do have a thing of tofu in the fridge, so I might make that. But then also, again, sometimes I just don't like tofu unless I bread it, and I don't have flour. Okay, I think I'm going against the tofu, so it's just gonna be the veggie pasta. But yes, let me get started. quick and easy. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat and then go to class. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys like how I didn't show you guys my complete peeling the butternut. Like if you guys need more steps like that, let me know so I can add them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little first weekend cooking with me.